So we have x equals -3, y equals 4. All right? So what they're asking us to do is to evaluate the expression. That means I want to evaluate what is the value of the expression when x equals -3 and y equals 4. So to do that, what we're going to do is simply wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in -3, because the value of x is equal to -3. And wherever we see a y, we're going to plug in 4. But I want you guys to pay close attention to how I do that. All right, so besides just plugging in the x and the y's, what else did I kind of add to this? Parentheses, right? And I can't stress that enough, ladies and gentlemen, where students make mistakes on these types of problems because they don't add parentheses. All right, a lot of students will just put in, oh, I'll just put in a -3, and then those put actually a 3 in for the x because there's a subtraction sign there. Notice when I put in the -3, I have a minus a negative, right? Which through our practice tells us it is now a positive. All right, the other case is this says -3 squared. All right, -3 squared is -3 times -3, which is +9. If you just wrote it like this, what this really states is -1 times 3 squared. That means these are the same thing. So if you just put a -3 in there and you wrote it like this, well, basically that means this, which if you were to follow your order of operations, you would do the exponent first, which would be 9, times -1, which would be -9, not 9. So it's very important to follow the parentheses so you don't make a mistake on your order of operations. So that's +3. Here I have 2 times -3, which is -6. -6 times 4 is -24 minus 3. Then remember, whenever we're adding this, all we're simply going to do is work from left to right. So 9 plus 3 is going to be 12. Minus 24 is -12. Minus 3 is -15. All right? And last one, guys, it'll be very, very quick.